first. John Barron. Tomorrow, former Defence Secretary Ian Fox will call for the process of renegotiation to begin immediately. A position echoed by the senior backbencher John Barron.
Relationship. I'm a bit concerned that it's all going to take far too long.
He says in the article that really this has to wait until the euro crisis has played itself out, until it's clearer what sort of European Union is going to be left as a result of that.
Yeah, well, I don't agree with that. I don't think the euro crisis is about to play itself out anytime soon. I also think that it is full of opportunities for the United Kingdom as well as full of hazard and danger. British people will not take kindly to having to pay a penny of British taxpayers' money to bail out the Eurozone and to pay the big bills they're running up trying to save their currency. So
he says his negotiation on Friday has protected Britain from that.
I think we need to protect ourselves even more, and I think we need to disengage from some of the power grab that is now underway as they desperately try to buttress their currency. I can understand what they're doing. The deal Britain should offer them is we will not get in their way if they are determined to move to political union, to add to very expensive transfers to prop up the banks. But Britain wants to move in the opposite direction at the same time.
And the timetable?
Well, we would like to get on with it, and I think we know already what back. An awful lot of work has been done by the parliamentary party over the last 2 years. And work has been done, quite a bit of it now published, setting out the enormous array of powers that the European Union has. And when people start seeing it and reading it, they are amazed at how much our previous...
So there isn't actually a need for too long a process before we present a proposal to other European Union countries.
No, I mean the parliamentary party is ready to present a proposal this summer. The work is done, and most of us can sketch it for you today. The government needs to assimilate all that work, but the government has been party to that work. So I think we could be very close to a statement from the government if they wish to.
Oh, Inge, you've dropped your book. You've dropped your book. I'll get you another one.
Well, that would be good news. We look forward to reading it. But I think they need to get on with it, because I think they need to be setting it out to our European partners in all these crisis meetings they're holding. I don't think it's fair to withhold the true British position. The true British position.
Right, you dropped that one now as well. You weren't interested in reading those anyway. You just want to make some daft noises instead, don't you? Oh, little Ingy. You're a daft thing. Alright, say goodbye. Say goodbye, Ingo. Bye bye. Okay.